how to find who you follow on Amazon. In this video, I'll show you how you can find who you follow on Amazon. So to get started, go ahead and open Amazon.com into your browser and then sign in to your account. Now, once you're signed in, click on account and list at the top right. And then under this, go ahead and click on your account. So under your account, go ahead and look for ordering and shopping preferences and then select your profile. So in here, you'll be able to find your profile under your shopping preferences. So click on that. So on your profile, click on following and you'll see a list of all the brands, influencers, and creators you follow. So take note that you can only follow brands, influencers, and creators and not regular shoppers. Following means you can see product recommendations or live streams from them. Your following list is visible on your Amazon profile, but you can adjust profile privacy settings. So that is how you can basically find who you follow on Amazon.